Mukonyi wa muraibe kiama gia Jubilee Muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigamochirie serikali kubwatikana n'ibikorwa by'emirero ebyo bigendete kwenekigwa ase chisukuru gukwana ime ya Meru nigoboigo homo waziri wa somo Muske Matiang'i aruro koboligwa chia serikali kwenekibwa na nkobekere mirobiri mikarano asokoro bolingoli ase chisukuru anene ase chisukuru chibodenge unenchire yamo yo kwenekibwa no bolende boisaine Chingaki cho Matiang'i boigo nigo haruo koboligwa chia serikali kwenekibwa na nkobwatukere chibesa ase chisukuru ase chingaki chibwanete unenchire yamo yo wikarani mirobiri ya masomo.
I said yesterday and I want to say today in church, heaven is more important than State House. I would like to go to heaven. Hii State House ni hapa dunia hii. My actual objective ni kwamba niende mbinguni. But even as I am here, God expects that I will serve faithfully and serve effectively. That is why when my colleague talked about the work we are doing in the Ministry of Education, it is also service to God, honesty and commitment to the service of our country. Saa hii nikiongea hapa mbele ya kanisa, over 40 schools are closed, unrest and so on. Probably by the time I finish my speech, another will have been closed. It's true. 2 others will have been closed. By tonight, another 10 or so. Ukiangalia vile dunia iko, and Excellency the Deputy Governor and all my friends who are supportive of this administration, tunasema with tremendous respect. Kasi imekuwa ngumu, you can see it. Maana gani wananchi? Imekuwa ngumu. Because we have never had the kind of crisis in the education sector that we have now. Na wale tumekuwa huko, I can give you proposals with one of my eyes closed. One, stop wastage, put money in the schools so that school principals have money so that they can run the schools. They can't run the schools on saliva. They need money, the capitation money should go to schools. That is a straightforward matter. Number 2, I would tell the president, appoint a principal secretary in charge of curriculum reform and transition, because that is a special thing we are now implementing CPC. And number 3, listen to the sector, listen to the principals, listen to parents, and most importantly, I say this from church, listen to church leaders. In Kenya, if the church or the religious communities did not invest in education, we will not have the institutions we have. Method is nyinyi kwanza ndio example. The investment you have made in the education sector, on a university and so on, you should be listened to, and so on and so forth. So mimi nawaomba wenzangu tuangalie hiyo.